In case you missed it, To-Go is now sailing from Davao to Cebu once a week, leaving Davao Port in Saasa every Monday at 11:30 a.m. and arrives in Cebu Pier 6 the following day at 8 p.m. The travel time is around 33 hours. The fare starts at around 1,400 in Mega Value class, 1,700 in tourist class, 2,000 in business class, and 10 to 13K in stateroom and suite room. It's full board so meals are included. Isang breakfast, dalawang lunch, at dalawang dinner ang kasama sa ticket na babayaran nyo for the Davao to Cebu route. To book your tickets, just visit bit.ly/DVO Cebu, that's bit.ly/Davao Cebu, and choose Monday if papuntang Cebu, Tuesday if papuntang Iloilo, and Monday or Tuesday if pa-Manila naman kayo. To know more about boarding process and makita ano itsura ng barko, please go to my YouTube channel, nasa bio ang link, or search nyo lang Escape Manila Vlog. Until next time, amping!